Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Layla, and if you're new here, I am a working mama on the quest to do all things productive. So today we're going to get right into it with our grocery haul from Imperfect Markets, which is also accompanied by Misfits. We're going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. We're going to clean out all our veggies and get going.
Okay guys, let me give you an overview of the things that we purchased. So this time around, we went a little bit heavier on some of the produce. So we did get everything is organic, which is great, but we got broccolini, we got some broccoli, some eggplant, some spring mix. We got these gorgeous rainbow carrots, grapefruit, garlic, dates. This was a great price. Wait until you see the comparison to my regular supermarket. You're gonna be like, oh my goodness. Cheese spread, I was thinking this could be really good as a sauce for like a chicken or something like that, or sausages or something. We did pick up some proteins. I did get some chicken sausage, and then this would be really good, especially in the summertime with like light pasta and some veggies. This marinated chicken. We've got a couple more of those salmon burgers, so now I have a total of 4, so I can make that for dinner for everybody. This looks amazing. It's teriyaki ramen. Some kefir for the girls. Kefir? I don't know how you say that. Cheese. Egg bites for quick breakfast. Snacks. I thought these were really great. Cocoa cashew cream nut butter. Let's see if the kids like it. This baked muffins. These are perfect for school. You guys know I gotta have those organic pops. These I think my kids are gonna love. French pancakes on the go. These are gonna be great also for breakfast and quick lunches. Kind of excited to try this. This is mushroom turkey, so I'll let you guys know how it is. And some dark chocolate caramels. Some brioche hamburger buns for the salmon patties that I purchased. And that's it. Kind of a quick haul this week.
Okay, so I show you guys my haul from Wednesday. It is now Saturday, and it is time to take everything back out and clean this fridge. I think, the struggles of a working mom, sometimes you want to do everything right away, but you just really don't have the time. So we need to try to find the time when we can. But what we are going to do this Saturday is basically take everything out of here. There's quite a bit of veggies that are cut up, and we're going to make sure that we utilize everything as much as we can so that we eliminate food waste. But we're going to go ahead, take everything out, cut up all of our fruits and veggies, and have it set up so that we have a successful week. If you're wondering, as soon as I cut up the strawberries, they were gone within 10 minutes.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite veggie? I really like mushrooms. My family does not like mushrooms. They like broccoli. I do not like broccoli. However, I do like broccolini. For whatever reason, I think it tastes way better. Let's hear it in the comments. Are you team broccoli or team broccolini? Comment below. Have you guys ever used your celery tops for anything? If you are throwing those away, I'd have you know that those are full of vitamin K and vitamin C, and they can almost be used like in place of like parsley. So you can definitely use them up in like a pesto sauce. Tastes really good. It tastes basically like a combination of parsley with a little bit of taste of carrot. So it's pretty delicious. There are two house things that drive me the most crazy when they are disorganized, and that is the fridge and my closet. For whatever reason, when my fridge is a mess, I never know what to do with as far as like meals to make or anything like that. And when my closet's a mess, I don't know how to dress myself, and it's very frustrating. So these are my two kryptonites. They're always a mess, but they are the ones that drive me the most crazy.
I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to
If you're
listen,
wondering
but
how
all
my
that
girls
keep
are
coming.
so chill this entire time, let me just show you what they were doing as I was cleaning. Yep, that is my parent fail of the day. I gave them a sensory bin, put some beads in there and some flour, thinking that they were going to play nice, but it ended up turning into a flower dance party. So as I was cleaning one side, the other side was turning into a hot mess because that's parent life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gave you the motivation to get your fridge back in order. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you back on the next video where I would be showing you guys how to make a few delicious recipes with some of the items that I'm showing here. Bye!